Hotel Xcaret Arte sets itself apart with its all-fun-inclusive concept, which goes far beyond a typical all-inclusive plan. Not only are all your meals, drinks, and snacks covered across 10 restaurants, 12 bars, and 3 swim-up bars, but you also get unlimited access to every Xcaret Group Eco Park and Adventure experience. That includes Xcaret, Explore, Xenses, and Zelha, along with ferry rides to Isla Mujeres, cultural shows, ziplining, cenote swims, and guided eco tours, all bundled into your stay. You also get a complimentary airport shuttle and park shuttles running throughout the day. This resort is adults only, making it a clear choice for couples, friends, or solo travelers who want a more sophisticated atmosphere while still having access to all the adventure parks. If you're traveling with children or want a more family-focused trip, its sister property, Hotel Xcaret Mexico, offers the same all-fun-inclusive benefits with a kid-friendly environment. I've already reviewed that property in detail. You'll find the video linked below, along with the booking link for Hotel Xcaret Arte, which will save you 20% for a limited time only. Positioned between lush jungle and the Caribbean Sea, the setting combines natural beauty with quick access to Playa del Carmen. From here, you can be browsing shops on Quinta Avenida in under 15 minutes, or catching a ferry to Cozumel for a day trip. Also, Cancun International Airport is about an hour away. The property's beachfront is private and uncrowded, so it feels like a retreat even though the town and attractions remain close by. If you're looking to maximize time at the eco parks, the proximity is a major advantage. Xcaret and Xenses are within walking distance, while Explore and other parks sit only a few minutes away by road. That balance means you don't waste precious vacation hours in transit. Instead, you can slip easily between serene beach time and adventurous outings without ever feeling disconnected from either. Entry-level accommodation comes in the Garden Suite, which sleeps up to 4 and is currently priced at around $197 per person, per night when shared by 4 guests and booked via the discount link below. These rooms overlook the landscaped grounds and include plush Egyptian cotton bedding, rainfall showers, and private balconies that set a high baseline for comfort. A popular mid-tier choice is the Ocean View Suite, designed for up to 4 travelers. At roughly $235 per person, per night when filled to capacity, it adds sweeping sea views that make mornings and sunsets feel unforgettable. This option works especially well for friends or couples traveling together who want more than garden scenery without moving into top-end pricing. For those who prefer exclusivity, the Swim-Up Oceanfront Suite offers direct pool access from the terrace and uninterrupted Caribbean views. Sleeping 3, it runs about $361 per person per night when shared by 3 guests. It's a premium pick for travelers who want to blend luxury, privacy, and a touch of indulgence right outside their door. You'll have 15 outdoor pools to choose from, each offering a different vibe, some tucked into quiet garden spaces where you can unwind, others designed for a more social atmosphere with swim-up bars and music. If staying active is part of your getaway, you'll appreciate the Modern Fitness Center, where yoga and workout classes are included daily. For relaxation, the spa is where you can really spoil yourself. With 20 treatment rooms and therapies like hydrotherapy circuits, hot stone massages, and Mayan-inspired rituals, you'll find it easy to spend an entire afternoon here. Beyond that, you can wander through the on-site art gallery, pick up something unique at the boutique shops, or book a fresh cut or treatment at the full-service salon. Even the everyday conveniences are designed to make your stay stress-free. You'll have complimentary valet or secured parking, attentive concierge service whenever you need it, and staff who go out of their way to make sure every detail is handled for you. Your evenings here are never short on energy. You can start with live performances ranging from traditional Mexican music and dance to contemporary shows that change throughout the week, giving you something new to look forward to each night. If you're in the mood to keep going, you'll find lively lounges and 3 swim-up bars that turn into social hubs as the sun goes down. Daytime offers just as much variety. You can join in cooking classes, art workshops, or even guided eco-activities that bring the cultural theme of the property to life. For something more upbeat, you can hop on a bike, take part in organized group games, or enjoy the beach club atmosphere with music and cocktails by the water. Whether you prefer laid-back experiences or a night of dancing and mingling, you'll always have entertainment options that match the pace you're looking for. Food is a major highlight here, and you'll notice the resort puts just as much emphasis on variety as it does on quality. You can start your mornings at Mercado San Juan, the main buffet, where the spread runs from fresh tropical fruit and pastries to made-to-order dishes that feel more like a market experience than a typical resort buffet. When you're ready for something more refined, you can book a table at Encanta for fine dining with carefully plated courses. Or try Chino Poblano, where Asian flavors meet Mexican spices in a way you won't find at most all-inclusives. If you're in the mood for casual bites, you can stop into cafes for coffee and pastries or grab quick snacks between pool time and excursions. Even the setting adds to the experience. You can choose from oceanfront restaurants where the view is part of the meal or atmospheric indoor spaces with creative design touches. With 10 restaurants and 12 bars, you'll never feel like you're repeating the same meal twice during your stay. In terms of considerations, while the all-fun-inclusive package gives you unlimited access to the Xcaret parks, those activities can be physically demanding. If you're looking for a slow-paced, do-nothing vacation, you may find the abundance of options a little overwhelming. Another factor is price. Compared to standard all-inclusive resorts in Playa del Carmen, rates here are higher, and while you're getting exceptional value through the park access and extras, it makes the most sense if you actually plan to use them. The adults-only environment sets the tone for a sophisticated stay, but it also means that if you're traveling with kids, this isn't the right fit. In that case, you'll want to look at Hotel Xcaret Mexico instead, which is designed with families in mind. That review is linked below, along with some alternative places to stay in Mexico if any of the above are deal breakers. When you compare Arte to other luxury resorts in the Riviera Maya, the difference comes down to depth of experience. Here, you're not just booking a beachfront stay, you're layering cultural workshops, daily activities, and creative touches that make the property feel immersive. Another aspect of value is flexibility. You can design your days however you like, without needing to purchase outside tours or add-ons unless you want to. That kind of freedom means you avoid the surprise expenses that often creep into other vacations. While nightly rates are positioned in the higher bracket, the return you get in terms of variety, personalization, and quality puts it in line with, and often ahead of, comparable adults-only resorts in the region. If you see your ideal trip as a blend of adventure, culture, and luxury, this is a resort built for you. It's perfect if you want days filled with activity, without needing to plan or book anything in advance. Couples looking for a romantic escape with plenty to do will find the adults-only environment especially appealing, while groups of friends can take advantage of the variety of dining and entertainment that keeps every night fresh. On the other hand, if you're traveling with children, you'll want to choose Hotel Xcaret Mexico instead, which carries the same concept but with a family-friendly setup. For everyone else, whether you're celebrating an occasion, exploring the Riviera Maya for the first time, or returning for a deeper dive into the region's culture, Arte offers an all-in-one experience that few resorts can match.